Hey guys, welcome back to another edition of Big Daddy's Little Kitchen. Today I'm going to share a recipe the Greeks made famous called tzatziki sauce. If you've ever gone out to a Greek restaurant, ordered a gyros sandwich, more than likely you tasted tzatziki sauce. For those of you who have never tasted tzatziki sauce, I'd like to put my arms around you, pat you on the back and tell you it's going to be all right. Because today I'm sharing a recipe that goes fantastic on lamb, fantastic with potatoes, fantastic on the end of a celery stick, on the end of a spoon, on the end of your finger. No matter what, tzatziki sauce goes great with everything. So stick around. When we come back, I'm going to show you how I do it next.
Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is start with a fresh, clean cucumber. A lot of recipes call for an English cucumber, but I call for a cucumber that you have available at your house. You're going to want to go ahead and grate that up pretty fine, getting it into a bowl, and from here, unlike me that's scattering it all around the bowl, you're going to want to push that to the side and add a little bit of dill pickle juice. You heard me right. I use the juice from dill pickles that you probably have laying around in your refrigerator and smash that cucumber up, letting it sit. And if you let it sit for 15-20 minutes or even an hour, it takes on a great flavor. From here, you're going to want to add approximately a cup or so of Greek yogurt into a bowl. And there's no need to get exact and pull out a measuring cup to measure it. You can get approximately right with a cup to a cup and a half. And then go ahead and add a few cloves of garlic into that yogurt. The big thing is you're going to want to make sure whatever yogurt you use, it's a plain yogurt and it has no taste of fruit or any bit of sweetness to it. Because Greek yogurts generally are just plain yogurt. From here, we're going to want to remove our dill from the stem, and I go ahead and once I do that, I grabbed a little bit of fresh mint from our garden. You can see it right next to my lemons there. We're going to add that in as well. You'll see some recipes that call for one or the other. Myself, I'll add both to this recipe because the flavor of mint and dill, I feel, is absolutely delicious. And there is nothing better than a fresh taste of tzatziki with these two items in it. Get that chopped up pretty fine. And from here, we're going to add everything into the yogurt. But I'll make a key point here to tell you that adding anything into the yogurt, you want to be careful not to overmix, because overmixing yogurt will make it very loose and watery. From here you can see that I'm draining the dill juice off of my cucumber. I'm going to smash it through the strainer to make sure we get the moisture off of it. It still has the flavor, but we don't need all that liquid. We're going to add that into the yogurt and give it a gentle toss, as well as our fresh herbs. Once we give everything a stir, we're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper, and that's like everything else, to taste. And on this recipe, if you want to taste it in between each step, I would strongly urge you to do that because you're going to get a flavor that's just absolutely perfect for you. Giving it another little stir, we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. And believe it or not, once we put this lemon in, we're just about done. And it's hard to believe that such a delicious recipe is so simple to make. But the truth of the matter is, there's nothing that tastes better than a fresh tzatziki sauce. And at this point, it's almost hard not to eat the whole bowl. But I'll tell you this, letting it sit in your refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours or even overnight will give it even that much better of a flavor. So If you've got the time,
there it is.
Let it
Simple
relax
to
and
make,
sit.
as easy as 1, 2, 3. Our tzatziki sauce is complete. When I tell you absolutely nutritious, delicious, and simple and easy to make, this recipe doesn't get any better. I hope all of you enjoyed it. Until next time, don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. That's how I bring you new videos. And make sure you hit that notification bell to keep up with everything coming out new. Until next time, we'll see you then on Big Daddy's Little Kitchen.